And here we go, run of the goats. We're going to open this fence. We are going to do run of the goats, run of the goats. No, that's bad food to eat. Don't eat that. Toby, you need to be shaved. You're the only one left. There goes Desi. Get off my fence. They're eating sugar maple. Sugar maple. Hang on while Mommy does this. Guys. These are poisonous. Sorry. Hang on. Lucy. Run of the goats, run of the goats. Get off my flowers! Olga! Toby, you need to be shorn. Olga, get out of my flowers! Get out of my flowers! Get out of my flowers. Thank you. Oh. She's eating my daisies. Hi, Crinkle! Crinky! Crinkle butt! Lucy, what are you doing, babe? Come here. Toby? Toby? Get off the fence. Get off my fence. I just put this up. Hello, Spot. What's up with your eye? Come here. Let me see your eye. Oh gosh, all the junk. Good girl, that's better. Eat the clover. Eat the clover. Bye, Duz. Mommy needs to mow the grass. Hi, Crinkle. Crinky. God, at grass, I swear, I can never be sick. Because I haven't been out here in like a week. And already my flowers are overgrown. Everything's a mess. The new grass I planted under that tree looks good. Oh, Emma, your horn looks so much better. You're making a big progress, baby. You're making big progress. Hi, Tessie. Hello, Tess. Tess Meister. Tessie. You're not going to say hi, huh? Desi, you might want to get away, bud. These flies. Yeah. Oh, look, they're eating my tree. They're eating my tree. They're eating my trees. This video is going to be about feeding goats, but not letting them out and letting them eat my tree. Alright, well, I don't know what's wrong with Jane, but she's losing her fur, which means I need to get her, the vet to come out. Interesting. Ouch, Crinkle, what are you doing? What are you doing? What you doing? I know you're waiting for your food. You're waiting for your food. Woo, Tessie, hi. Hi. You just rubbed your poison ivy head all over my leg. Crinkle, stop. Stop, buddy. Stop, buddy. Hi. Look at your eye. Look at your eye. It's all red. Hi, bud. Crinkle, stop it. And look at the babies. Look at the babies. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. I'm gonna go up and get some ivermectin. This is why I did not take the camera outside. That grain in that bucket? Yeah, no. Okay.